All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information on cryptocurrency, GPU mining, Dogecoin, Ethereum, AMP coin. Today we're talking about AMP. Are you amped up about the AMP? You should be. The price has dropped slightly. We're going to go over that. Could be a great opportunity to get yourself in, but there's too much going on with the AMP right now not to be excited. Do me a favor, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. So I wanted to go over this. I'm not on WhatsApp. I'm not on the thing trying to get you to come talk to me. I'm not text messaging you inside the links and stuff. So I'm not, for all the people that says Frank on WhatsApp, I don't have a WhatsApp account. So I'm not trying to get you to contact me. I'm not trying to get you to send me money. All those are impersonators of Frank's Crypto Corner. It's not me. Don't respond to them. We're deleting them every single day. So with that, we're talking about the AMP. Are you amped up? Lots of things are going on. We're going to talk about Sheetz gas station. Right now, I mean, over 500 gas stations, convenience stores are going to be accepting the AMP. What I want to do, I know everybody may not be in the football, but Patrick Mahomes got drafted by the Kansas City Chiefs. And when they got drafted, they knew that he was going to do a really good thing. And look, they've been to 2 Super Bowls. Well, guess what? Sheetz gas station in El Salvador are now accepting Flexa AMP. Okay, so let's reverse it. If all of a sudden countries were dropping AMP and dropping Flexa, that wouldn't be a good opportunity. If all of a sudden 600 gas stations were dropping Flexa and dropping AMP, that wouldn't be a good thing. So this is absolutely awesome news. Now, you do have to be patient when you're doing the investing with cryptocurrency. It goes up, it goes down, it goes sideways. It's all kinds of craziness. But the thing of it is, in football, when you start getting good players onto the team, well, what happens is you start winning games and winning championships. In cryptocurrency, I can't think of another token that's going to be used as often as this Flexa and AMP than AMP right now. So with that, let's go ahead. We're going to go over to this. So first thing I wanted to do here is go to a news channel that's talking about the Sheetz.
These are coming to a popular gas station chain. Sheetz just announced it will start accepting Bitcoin later in the summer. The chain will use Flexa. That's a digital payment platform to let folks buy items and gas from the store. Besides Bitcoin, the store will also accept currencies including Dogecoin, Litecoin, Ether, and others. Customers can also link their Sheetz rewards accounts with their Flexa accounts.
So yeah, right there we got news channels that are talking about Sheetz that are accepting the Flexa. Basically, cryptocurrency, Dogecoin, and Bitcoin are going to be accepted at the pumps. This is going to be gigantic. Now, we're over here at Coin Market, and we're looking at the AMP price. AMP right now is almost at 5 cents. It's 0.49. Now, I'm going to come down to the chart here, and we're going to look at a couple things here. So, like right now, it's being traded at 0.49, but if you take a look at a week ago, I mean, it's dropping a little bit and everything, but look, it rebounded. Okay, so it's rebounding here. So again, it's going to probably get back up to here with all these different, again, all my information is for educational purposes only. We do this channel to have fun with it, to make sure everybody knows about cryptocurrency. So again, right now, this thing's dipping a little bit. Let's take a look at 3 months ago. So 3 months ago, yeah, it's going down, but now we got all these different contracts in these different countries that are now partnering up with Flexa. This is going to be pretty big. Now, going over here again, AMP is at number 61 right here. It's actually down about 6.49% in the last 7 days, but in the last 24 hours, it's actually up 4.5%. So again, it's almost at 5 cents. Now we're gonna go up, scroll up here a little bit. Where's our one friend? There it is, Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu, we've been talking about that. Take a look, everybody. It's up 12% in the last 7 days. We've been talking about Shiba Inu for about 2 to 3 weeks. So if you were on this channel and you decided to become one of the Shiba Inu army and follow them, you're having a pretty good time. Now I'm over here and it says Sheetz accepting digital currency with Flexa. I just think this is so important. A lot of people are sad about Flexa, about the AMP coin being below 5 cents. I'm actually excited because you can reposition. I actually bought some more AMP myself today on Binance. But take a look at this. Sheetz becomes the first convenience store chain to accept Bitcoin. Sheetz, a major mid-Atlantic restaurant convenience store chain, announced that it will be enabling cryptocurrency via Flexa, the leading pure digital payment network providing customers with the ability to pay for items inside the store or fill up their car, trucks, RVs at the pump using digital currency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, and more. So when you're at the pump and you're getting your sandwich and you look to your wife and you say, do you want to pay in Dogecoin? Do you want to pay in Ethereum? And then the people in front of you, they're paying in all, it's just going to be pretty exciting. Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum being accepted at the pump. If you don't think that this AMP coin is going to, 600 of these gas stations are going to be accepting this. Now, this is the beginning. Okay, it's just like football where they just drafted the guy that he hasn't even played a game. Okay, so you have to let the games play before you can actually get the wins. Now, again, if they were dropping countries and dropping gas stations, we would be real sad. They're adding big chains, Sheetz gas station. They're adding countries like El Salvador. I know somebody said it's a very poor country and stuff like that, but they're still accepting it. It's like a snowball. The more the snowball goes down the hill, the bigger the snowball gets. Well, it used to be at 12 cents in June. Where's it going to be by the end of this year? We got some predictions for you. So again, over here, talking about Sheetz, it says Sheetz will begin accepting digital currency using Flexa instant stable payment technology using the Sheetz Cafe store later. Its plans to roll out later in a year, accepting Sheetz at the fuel pump as well. Sheetz currently operates in 623 stores. That's what I'm talking about. 623 stores. I don't know if you've ever been to a Sheetz gas station, but this is what it looks like. This store has, you can get sandwiches in there, you can get your gas in there, you can get cigarettes in there, you get a lot of things at the pump here with Sheetz. Okay, and now anything you buy inside this store or at the pump, you can do with digital currency. 600 stores. Get into one of these stores and see how busy they are sometimes, and then times it by 600. We're just at the beginning of the snowball going down, but at the end of the snowball, when it gets to the bottom, it's bigger. Okay, so where is that at? That's in Pennsylvania, the 623 stores, North Carolina, Virginia, West Virginia. Every state I name makes this coin get better and better because there's more and more people going to be using the digital currency, cryptocurrency with Flexa, with, here we go, Ohio, Maryland. Sheetz customers will also have the option to link their My Sheetz rewards loyalty accounts when paying with Flexa. It says right here, with the interest in digital currency reaching an all-time high. Let's say that again. With the interest of digital currency reaching an all-time high. This is a great time to be on this channel. There's still people that aren't even using digital currency. You remember my vision? One day when everybody has digital currency, when everybody has cryptocurrency, this is going to change the whole planet here in the United States with 623 of these stores accepting Flexa, and AMP is the coin that collateralizes it. Says it's easy to lose sight of the fact that there are real tangible benefits for the merchants who accept them. Not only will they reduce fraud and cost saving, but also a better and more mobile customer experience, says Trevor, the co-founder of Flexa. Sheetz is one of the most forward-thinking brands in the business in understanding the customer's base better than anyone else. We're absolutely elated that Flexa can help them become the first convenient and retail chain to accept digital cryptocurrency directly at the pump. Then it says Sheetz here. It was established in 1952 out of Pennsylvania. Sheetz is one of the most America's fastest growing family-owned, operated convenience stores. It employs over 20,000 employees. There's another 20,000 people that'll be using cryptocurrency because where they work, when they're accepting cryptocurrency, they're going to be like, oh my gosh, Dogecoin, I heard about that. People are paying for it. Maybe I should. So there's 20,000 more people right there that's going to be on cryptocurrency. The company operates over 600 locations. We already talked about this. All right, we're over here at the top 10. We got Bitcoin at number 1. It's actually up about 5% in the last 7 days. It's at 48,000. We're going to see if it gets back up to 50,000 here in the next 5 to 7 days. Ethereum is at 3.74% up in the last 7 days. It's at 34.37. Cardano is number 3. It's actually down right now. Good time to maybe look at Cardano. It's down 13% in the last 7 days. Binance Coin is at a solid number 4. It's trading at $412 a token, a coin. XRP is actually at $1.08. It's actually down for the week, about 1.6. Solana is actually down right now. It's actually down about 11% in the last 7 days, but it is up 15% in the last 24 hours. So all basically did, the losses it took in the last 7 days, they picked it back up in 24 hours. That, again, is how cryptocurrency is. So on this AMP, I mean, you got to let these things play itself out. Polkadot is at $34.85. It's up 10% in the last 7 days. It's up 3% in the last 24 hours. The Dogecoin is at number 9. It's actually down about 1.89%. Avalanche, look at that. Avalanche actually moved all the way to number 11 here. It ain't an avalanche. It's freaking going to the top. It's up 23% in the last 7 days. Avalanche is also up 5% in the last 24 hours. Uniswap is at number 12. And of course, we got to do a special highlight of Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu, look at this, everybody. It's up 11% in the last 7 days. So Shiba Inu is actually up. And then right here is our AMP coin is at number 61, the 61st best cryptocurrency in the world right now. It's trading at almost 5 cents. The global crypto market is at 2.15 trillion. It's actually up 1.83% in the last 24 hours. So again, I just want to go over some AMP price predictions here. I think this can help everybody when the coin dips a little bit. So what we're going to do here is we're going to talk about some price predictions. All right, so right here, CoinSkid says AMP crypto price forecast started December will be basically by December 2021, right around 10 cents. That's a 2x right now. A maximum price of about 12 cents. That would be getting back to where it was in June, the all-time high. The minimum price they're saying is slightly under 9 cents, 0.088 by December. This is, I mean, patient. I don't really think 3 months is being patient. When I think of patience, I think a couple years. I know cryptocurrency is a lot faster, but 3 months is not a lot. The average AMP price for December of 2021, they're saying it should be right around 10 cents, almost 11. That is pretty good. That's what CoinSkid's saying. Pick a crypto. Through the current trend, investors, the overall direction of the crypto market, we think AMP has a long-term earning potential of a good chance of visiting 30 cents to $1. But this is not in, when they say 30 cents to $1, this is not in like a week. Okay, I mean, you got to give it a little bit of time. By the end of the year here, I mean, I think that it's going to go back to that 12 cents or 10 cents. And 10 cents is a 2x, 12 cents is a little over the 2x. That's what I'm thinking by the end of the year here. Again, all this information is for educational purposes only. But when they say 30 cents to $1, there's the part about being patient. When you see Sheetz accepting this, you see different countries accepting this. I mean, this is gigantic, everybody. I mean, this is the kind of tidbits and gold nuggets you're looking for. If you only knew that little good stuff, this is the good stuff. 600 and some stores, 20,000 employees at Sheetz is going to be using the cryptocurrency. That again is pick a crypto. All right, here, coin arbitrage bot. We're looking at a very recent price in AMP, and the price forecast is could be roughly around 7.5 cents. Based on the AMP historical information, we predict AMP could be at 7.5 cents by the end. 7.5 cents, I mean, that's over a 50% gain. So again, there's a lot going on here with AMP. So this is one of my favorite coins right now. You know, AMP coin and Shiba Inu. Definitely paying attention to both of those. But AMP, I don't see all these other cryptocurrencies partnering up with 600 gas stations that they're going to be using the Flexa network and Flexa and AMP. Flexa created the AMP. I mean, this is gigantic, everybody. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Don't forget, all our information is for educational purposes only. And I don't have a WhatsApp account. I'm not trying to contact you. I'm not trying to get you to send me money and stuff like that. So that's not me. Again, my vision here is one day every single person on the planet is going to have some cryptocurrency. It's going to start happening here. Those 20,000 employees that have never, ever used cryptocurrency, when they every single day are helping customers on their phone. Oh, click right there for Bitcoin. Oh, click right there for Ethereum. I mean, when this happens and they're helping the customers click for this, guess what they're going to do? They're going to download the app. They're going to be like, oh, this is pretty neat. Oh, look at that. You know, they're going to plug into my channel, share the information with all the Sheetz employees that work there, make sure they pump in the Frank's Crypto Corner so they can learn all about this. But again, this is going to be gigantic, everybody. So have a little patience. Let's go out, have a good day today. Lots of stuff going on. It's a beautiful day. Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. And everybody have a great weekend.